Hello, in this video I want to show you how to charge your MX Master 3S. And to do this, first you will need USB-C plug connected to the power or your computer, and then find the USB-C plug on your mouse, and it's located right here. I needed to see if you can actually see what I'm looking at. Now connect the USB-C end to your mouse and it should begin charging. You can also see it in the Logitech Options Plus app that it's charging right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.